Hi guys, in this tutorial I wanna make forest like this using the Unreal Engine 5.7.1. Okay, open the editor. Okay, create new project. Go to games, select third person as template, rename the project. Okay, now hit create and okay, after creating this project, we have to go to file, create new level. After creating this new level, hit empty level, hit create. Now let's go to window, set up the lighting with environment light mixer. Let's skylight, directional lighting, sky atmosphere, volumetric fog, cloud, and height fog. And finally, we wanna set up, enable this volumetric fog. After making this, we have to go right here, search for landscape. It create a new landscape. After creating the landscape, wanna save our level. We go to the file, save current level, LV 01. Say, this level is saved right here. Now, let's add our material. Download the material from the back marketplace before we begin the work. Let's go here to content driver, go to fab, open the fab. First, let's see, search for forest material, trees, European, beach. Download this material, add to my project, choose this version, and the downloading is begin. Okay, fine, downloading is finished. We get this file after downloading this. After that, let's search for grass material. We have to download some grass, more filter, set price, only shows free products. Let's download some grass. Download this. For best result, we have to download highest quality as possible. For me, I download this quality module because it's a tutorial. Okay, let's choose for another material. Search وايد كذا بصوت. Let's download this grass vegetation mix. Add to my project. Download this grass. Okay, let's search for example for sunflowers. Okay, the filter is for green. Okay, let's choose this type of flower. Add to my project. Now type the share for the share and search here forest. Let's download the forest material. For this is for the ground. I think it's whipped. Let's choose this. For this material, we want to choose the raw quality, the highest quality as possible. Or better result. After downloading this, let's download this. Let's go. Okay. This one. letting quality add to my project. This blog, let's download it. Okay, I think we are done from this. Close this. After clicking this, no, when go here to edit, go to plugin, search for Procedural Content Generation. PCG. Enable this plugin. After downloading and importing all of those material, hit the restart. Is it true? You need to select all of them and save. Okay, now the restarting is finished. Let's close this. Go to the content drawer, open our level. After opening this level, we have to go here to landscape mode and make some sculpting, make some deformation and response to auto. Okay. Now let's return right here to selection mode. Save for. Go right here. Search for PCG. PCG graph. Create empty graph. PCG focus. This is the place of our graph. Now let's extend this by pressing R, make it bigger as possible. We go right here, change the speed of camera. I think 4 is good. Now, let's go right up to the PCG forest graph. After opening this PCG graph, first, let's get our landscape data. Get landscape data, surface center, transfer pointers, boundaries modifier, and this transform pointers. This one is for the trees. Okay, first of all, we have to come on this one. Trees. Okay. And do in this place the surface static mesh spawn. Make it right. Okay, from where for the mean offset of those trees, let's make it 0.8, 1.5, 0.8, 1.5, 0.8, 1.5. For the rotation, let's set 0, 300 degrees or 3 axis. For the scaling, it's the same thing, 0.8, 1.6. Okay, I think it's done. The fourth band modifier, the remaining. Now, let's go here to static mesh spawn. We have to add for the mesh entries 5 types of trees. Let's go right here for width. Enable this one by clicking right here, and after that, click right here. Select all of them by selecting Control A and enable Nanite. And Nanite is enabled by default. Now, if we sync mesh entry, fight mesh entries, we have to search for static and add those meshes. How to do that? You have to put first one right here, second one, third one, fourth one, and finally this one. Now let's add the widget. X-ray, for example, to go one. Okay, let's see what's happening right here. Okay, what's this? Okay, to fix this problem, I have to go here to Surface Simpler, setting point on square meter 3.0001. 0.001. Let's see. Let's go right here. Okay, let's press here. Let's extend the how to extend this. We have to go here, disable, and let's extend the PCG gun. Renable now, right now. Yeah, you can put. Okay, I think now it's a goat. Yeah, no. The truth, the other thing is, okay, let's copy this graph. Copy. Go right here. This one hold the glass. For the surface simpler, I want to set this with 1.extend. 6, 10, 10, and 10. For the mesh entries, let's create spaces. Let's return it to the content. Disable this. Tab. Go here to static mesh spawn and select all of one. Let's go here to Nanite and enable Nanite for all of those meshes. After enabling Nanite, you have to select first one. We have 5 meshes. We have to go over here. Search for static. Okay, first one. Second one. Let's add all of them. Make 10. Key 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nine, and finally, I've set this to 10. Okay, it's very small. Let's set it, for example, here. Let's regulate right here. Then, okay, now it looks beautiful. Okay, after doing that, let's set up the ground. Disable this. Now we have to make a scans. Surfaces, forest floor, raw material, and select the landscape right here. Go down. Okay, and drag it like this. Okay, I think it's good. My forest is good. The secret to make a realistic forest is to have many grass, many types of trees to make a realistic as possible. Okay, now let's change the lighting. Control L, press. It takes some time to render. Okay, now let's see our level and let's see what remains for this forest. Okay, I think it's done. Thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial how to make realistic for life like this.